There's something special about making a gift with your own hands. I put together a dozen Valentine's Day cupcakes as a gift, and I'm so happy how they turned out. They were so much fun to decorate. Each one felt like a tiny canvas. Now that they're finished, I'm having that classic baker's dilemma. They look almost too nice to eat. But I know that's exactly what they were made for. Making them was the best part. Whether you're celebrating love, friendship, or just treating yourself, I hope your day is as sweet as these little guys. Who else loves giving homemade gifts?